Welcome to Techverse. And if you just unboxed your brand new Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, congratulations. Because what you're holding is far more than a pair of stylish sunglasses with speakers. It's one of the most versatile and surprisingly human-feeling AI wearables you can buy in 2025 and 2026. And whether you went with the classic Wayfarers or the newer headliners. These smart glasses blend fashion with powerful Meta AI features that can see, hear, describe, translate, and capture the world around you in real time. And with the latest software updates, there's never been a better moment to truly unlock what these glasses can do. So before you rush outside ready to experience the world through AI, there are a few essential setup steps you should handle first inside the Meta AI mobile app, because these settings define how seamless your daily experience will be. Starting with video length defaults, where you can choose how long your glasses automatically save video clips. Followed by wake word preferences so Meta AI responds naturally to your voice, AI sensitivity, so the assistant doesn't interrupt or underperform, and shortcuts and gesture controls that let you trigger features faster without reaching for your phone. And personally, setting the glasses to auto-save the last 60 seconds of video has already proven invaluable, because life doesn't wait for you to press record, and moments like a child's first gymnastics move or an unexpected street performance can be captured effortlessly. And once you've tuned those basics, the first feature you absolutely must try is hands-free photo and video capture, which is easily the most addictive and practical capability of Ray-Ban Meta glasses, because the wide-angle camera delivers immersive point-of-view shots that feel natural, authentic, and incredibly personal, whether you're hiking, traveling, walking your dog, or just exploring your city. And capturing content is simple. You can press the capture button on the right temple for a photo, hold it to record video up to 3 minutes if extended capture is enabled, or better yet, use voice commands like, "Hey Meta, take a photo," or "Hey Meta, take a video," which feels almost magical the first time you do it, because you're literally capturing memories just by looking. And if you're new to Meta AI and unsure where to start, the easiest way to understand its power is by asking simple questions like, "Hey Meta, what's the weather?" which instantly gives you local conditions, or "Hey Meta, play music," which automatically uses your default music service such as Apple Music or Spotify and resumes your last track. And then there's a fun one, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" where Meta AI analyzes your surroundings and gives you an honest description, sometimes a little too honest, but always impressive. And thanks to the open-ear speaker design, the audio remains clear while keeping you aware of your environment, making it perfect for running, walking, or commuting without blocking the world around you. But things truly start to feel futuristic once you enable vision mode. Because by saying, "Hey Meta, tell me about this," the glasses can visually analyze objects, buildings, artwork, food, plants, signs, and more, then describe them in real time, which turns everyday moments into learning experiences. Whether you're identifying flowers on a walk, understanding artwork in a museum, or decoding confusing packaging at the grocery store. And for travelers or multilingual environments, one of the most powerful features you should test early is live translation. Simply by saying, "Hey Meta, start live translation," which allows Meta AI to listen, interpret, and translate conversations on the fly, even in noisy places like commuter trains or busy shopping malls, as long as you've downloaded language packs ahead of time in the Meta app. And once you experience this working smoothly, it's hard not to imagine how useful it can be for travel, work, or meeting new people. And music lovers will appreciate the growing integration with streaming services, especially Spotify, which unlocks one of the coolest features, mood-based music selection, where you can say, "Hey Meta, play music for this view," and the glasses will analyze your surroundings and pick songs that match the environment, whether you're relaxing in a park, sitting at a cafe, or watching the sunset. And you can control everything hands-free by pausing, skipping tracks, or adjusting volume with simple voice commands, while Apple Music users still get a smooth and familiar listening experience, even if some Spotify-specific extras are missing. And because Meta AI is context-aware, it doesn't just respond to commands, it understands your situation, which means you can ask things like, "Hey Meta, what's this building?" "Hey Meta, recommend a lunch spot nearby," or "Hey Meta, help me plan dinner," and receive conversational, location-based responses that feel genuinely useful when you're on the move. And one surprisingly helpful feature that many users overlook is text reading, which is perfect for moments when small print becomes a problem. Because by saying, "Hey Meta, read this to me," the glasses can read tiny expiration dates, ingredient list signs, or labels out loud in real time, making this an excellent accessibility tool for seniors, visually impaired users, or honestly anyone who's tired of squinting at tiny text under bad lighting. And if you're a content creator or someone who enjoys sharing moments online, Ray-Ban Meta glasses make social media capture incredibly natural. Because recording clips, reviewing them, and exporting directly to Instagram, Reels, or TikTok feels effortless. And you can even apply filters or add captions without ever pulling out your phone, giving you a head-mounted content camera experience without the awkward look of action cams like GoPros. Though framing is key, so centering your gaze ensures the best results. And when you step back and look at everything these glasses can do, from AI vision and live translation to hands-free capture, contextual assistance, music control, and accessibility features, it becomes clear that Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are not a gimmick, but a genuinely useful wearable that fits naturally into daily life. And the bottom line is that once you start with these 9 features, the glasses quickly shift from feeling like new tech to something new. Instinctively reach for every day, especially as Meta continues rolling out software updates that improve visual recognition, music controls, and AI responsiveness. So our final recommendation is simple. If you want a wearable that enhances how you see, hear, and interact with the world without demanding your attention, Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are absolutely worth using to their full potential. Just make sure you keep them updated. Personalize the settings and experiment with voice commands, because that's where the magic really lives. And for more deep dives into smart wearables, AI gadgets, and future tech explained simply, stay connected with us right here on TechVerse.